It's the ultimate goal of recycling, turning this mountain of trash into something valuable. From trash to treasure.
Check the tags on this PET load. Make sure the moisture content is under 2% before we sign off.
Copy that. Looks cleaner than the last shipment from the MRF.
To protect the delicate grinding machinery downstream, abrasive contaminants must be removed early. Disc screens.
High-speed near-infrared sensors analyze the chemical signature of every single item in milliseconds. Air jets instantly...
Amps are spiking on the rotor. Ease back the feed rate. We don't want to jam the cutting chamber again. Adjusting feed now. Water flow is holding steady.
After drying, the material undergoes final purification. Precision air columns separate materials by weight, lifting cudgers. Before compounding, quality assurance is mandatory. Technicians verify the flake size and purity against strict...
Glass fiber ratio is set to 15%. Watch the hopper levels. We're running the Navy gray batch today.
Hopper 2 is refilled. Feeder calibration looks good.
The stabilizer pellets are introduced into the molten mass, ensuring the final product resists sun damage and chalking. Inside the extruder barrel, temperatures reach 500 degrees. The twin screws shear and knead the mixture, fully encapsulated. The molten strands are cooled in water and chopped into uniform pellets. These nurdles are the gold standard of manufacturing.
Easy on the left chain, bring it down slow. Watch the guide pins on the platen. Clear on the right, lining up the bolt holes now.
To prevent contamination, the injection unit is purged. The machine pushes out any residue from previous runs.
Balance. The 3-axis robot is programmed with precise coordinates to enter the mold and retrieve the finished part.
Tonnage is set to 1,000. Keep an eye on the parting line. If you see any flash, we need to up the clamp pressure immediately.
Step 27. Holding pressure. The ram holds its position, applying packing pressure. This
While the chair solidifies, the screw rotates to melt the next shot of plastic. This parallel processing maximizes.
The cycle concludes as the mold opens. Hydraulic ejector pins push forward, popping the solid chair off the steel. Grip looks solid on the seat pan. No marks on the A surface. The vacuum pressure is holding steady at 25 inches of mercury.
A smaller robot arm grabs the runner system, the waste plastic channels. It drops the runner into an adjacent granulator.
Visual inspection is critical at this stage. The operator checks the parting lines for flash, excess thin plastic that's squeezed out during molding.
The chairs travel through a low-velocity cooling tunnel. Gradual air cooling stabilizes the molecular structure of the thick.
Loading program 42 alpha. Vacuum hold down is active. And keep clear of the spindle. It's running at 8,000 RPM.
Step 38, glide insertion. A pneumatic press drives a felt-bottomed glide into the hollow leg of the chair.
Step 40. Texture blasting. Fine media is blasted at high velocity against the plastic. The surface for commercial-grade durability, aluminum cross braces are installed. Pneumatic screwdrivers to torque fasteners.
The human touch is the final step in finishing. Skilled artisans hand buff the surface with anti-static cleaners.
Pull unit 55 from this lot for the torture chamber. We need to verify the new batch of glass fiber is holding up to the BIFMA standards.
Recycled materials naturally vary in color, so digital verification is essential. A spectrophotometer measures the. Once all physical and aesthetic tests are passed, the batch is digitally released. This electronic signature.
Caution, vehicle moving.
Heading to line 3, we've got the boxes prepped and ready for the stack.
A worker places the bagged stack of chairs into the carton. They slide cardboard honeycomb stiffeners into the corners.
Every package includes the product's story. A certificate of authenticity details exactly how many plastic bottles.
To maintain sustainability, reinforced paper tape is used instead of plastic. An automated system prints and applies. Scale reads 42.5 pounds. That's spot on for a 4-pack. Conveyor logic is sending it to lane 7 for palletizing.
The forklift mast extends high into the air, lifting the pallet of chairs into the dim upper reaches of the warehouse racking.
Distribution is optimized to reduce carbon footprint. Software calculates the most efficient way to pack the semi-trailer.
The cycle closes not with the shipment, but with data. The system records the inventory deduction and updates the